Hi, welcome to Cloudminister Technologies. In this tutorial, we will show you how to update GSTIN in client area. If you want to get GSTIN Invoice, please watch the full tutorial. Let's get started. Go to cloudminister.com. Website page looks like this, and please click on Login, which appears on the right-hand side of the website. You will redirect to the secure client login page, fill your Cloudminister's client area account login details, and hit login to proceed. As you can see, your client area dashboard will open, and simply you can hit on update, which pop up under your info on the left hand side. After clicking on update, you simply redirect on account details page. You can see your personal information and billing address details, and after scroll down the page, you will see all your updated details on this page. After scroll down the page, you can see additional information, in which GST column appears. Exactly here you need to update 15 characters GST ID. Make sure that you click on Save Changes after updating your GST number, unless your GST number does not update in your Cloudminister's client area account. That's how you can update GST number at Cloudminister's client area account to get GSTIN Invoice. We provide call support. You can contact the Cloudminister Technologies team at 01414924265 for better assistance. Thanks for watching full tutorial. If you found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see upcoming videos like this.